Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. This is a very, very, very special thing. So I had a meetup in Paris. One of my very dear, cherished, dear friend, and you have already know him. He was the first, my Patreon first patron, supported me, #1 subscriber on my Patreon. And also he wrote a letter. I have read his letter, and a lot of you know Colin. So this time, after so many years, more than 5 years, from I forgot how many years, after so many years, I finally got to meet him in Paris. It was such a wonderful experience to see someone in real life, such a wonderful young man. And this is the gift he prepared. Let me try to open it. I have one hand holding my camera, so it's not easy. So let me open it up with 2 hands. Okay. Surprise. I am, surprise. Ici, Tokyo Select Shop. Oh my, oh, I love it. This is a handmade matcha tea bowl. And yeah, and it's a rough surface. I can feel the roughness of it. And inside is a special glaze, metal glaze. Oh, this is so special. I can drink tea with it. Look at it. Oh, so good. So good. Wow. Too close. Thank you. Thank you. When I go back home, when I have a tripod with 2 hands, I can hold it. And just so curious, I want to see it. I love it. I love its unevenness. I love its randomness. I love its naturalness. I love it.